Hello again, everybody. We're going to take a look at a chart here, SOGO, and I'm going to give my analysis. And what it's going to do is give you a look inside and see exactly what's going on with this particular stock and where it's going to head most likely. Again, we don't have a crystal ball, but we do play the odds, and the odds do work out in our favor when we use these strategic levels here, and I'm going to share them with you in just a moment here. And again, at the end of the video, if you like the video, which I'm assuming you're going to like it, then you need to check out the membership at stockmarketvideo.com because you're going to have all of your market needs met. If you're sick and tired of losing in the market and you're ready to start making a change, it's going to make a difference in your trading future in your life, then you need to sign up. And the best part is it's free to sign up and join. All right, guys, it's free to check it out. So there's zero risk whatsoever. It's a free 7-day trial. So you have 7 days to check out the membership and see if it's a right fit. You do have to provide a credit card or a PayPal account in order to get that free trial, but you can cancel anytime before that 7 days is up, and then you won't be charged ever again. So take that opportunity, and you'll get instant access to the profitable trading alerts that we give our members here, that we've been giving our members here for over a decade. There's a reason we've been around for over a decade, and that's because our customers are happy, they're making money, plain and simple. So give it a shot, zero risk, free 7-day trial. All right, so let's take a look at this chart here. This is a new IPO, generally new, back here in 2017, and it's looking quite bullish, and I'm going to go over why. So when you see a stock like this, an IPO, it heads lower. Anytime, just kind of going back here, I am going to focus on what's happening now, but anytime you have this kind of action here where you have the IPO and it kind of trades sideways and then it breaks the previous low that it made right here, that's a really bearish sign and very, very high likelihood that it would head much lower from there. So just to kind of give you guys that preview or a look back so that you can kind of profit there in the future on new IPOs that have that same kind of pattern. Now, moving forward, conversely, when you have an IPO that traded lower and then kind of bases here and then comes back up, we're back up above the IPO low date. That is very bullish, and a lot of times they just kind of need to rest and break here. And it does look like it can see a really long-term breakout. It hasn't initiated that just yet, but I do see that happening. The other thing I want to mention too is look at all this volume that's coming into the stock as we break out. A lot of high volume days, a lot of volume is coming into the stock here as we're breaking out higher. So that's another thing. Just keep it simple, guys. Volume is king here on stocks. When you see a lot of people buying, that means the buyers are winning over the sellers. It's very, very simple, guys. So that's what I'm seeing here is a very bullish action on SOGO, and I don't see it kind of stopping anytime soon. I do see, obviously, we can't head straight up. We've headed straight up since April, basically. But I do see any dip as a buying opportunity, as I think that in the future we will continue